Hello my beautiful people, greetings to you all. Today I share with you how to make this palomita, or also called popcorn, in the comfort of your home. Do you know you can also use this one for business or a personal consumption? If this is what you are interested to see, make yourself comfortable. Let's get right into the video. Help me to share this video in all your platform. Subscribe if you have not done so. Making this, I need this dry corn that you are seeing. This sachet you are seeing with me is 500 gram. 500 gram, it will give you 2 cups. I will go ahead and share it. I will only need just half of it, which is 1 cup. So here is 1 cup. I will also make sure the left one. But the left one, I will be using it for other event or for other day. Just keep washing. So after measuring 2 cups from it, so I'll put the other cup aside. I'm not using it today, as I earlier say. So the last one is this, very little. I'll just share it among them, but I call it 1 cup each of them. So the next thing is this oil. So I'm using 4/4 spoon of oil, okay? So this is the only thing you need. In case if you want to add sugar or salt, you can do that almost the ending of it, but not now. But this one, I'm doing it almost not just natural. Just keep washing. I will allow the oil to hot just a little bit. So at this point, it's perfectly okay. I'll just take the dry corn straight to the pot and I'll keep stirring. Make sure you are doing this one on a low heat. And to all my returning subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you all. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Turn the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified, and we are uploading soon again. So this is just what you need to be doing. Just keep stirring. Just keep stirring and you'll see that it will be progressing. Once you see that it started pumping out like this, like what you are seeing now, so in order for the corns not to flip everywhere, you cannot use the cover on it. In case if you want to add salt or sugar, you can add it at this point, but you can also add it almost the ending of it. So at this point, I will take my wooden spoon out from it, so you will see how I'm going to finish it. So all you just need to do, put a rag on your hand, move the pot gently so that the down will not get burned. Just keep doing this while our popcorn or palomita as is progressing. You can see the amount used and you can see how is really progressing, and you see that how the something is really rising. So the essence of you choosing the cover is for the whole place not to be messed up with it. Can you see that it's really rising? Guys, I hope you love this video and you will not just wait to finish it before you like it. And I also love to see your beautiful comment. Please, if you have not yet liked this video, just go ahead, give it a big thumbs up, encourage somebody so that you see the next video soon again. Please go ahead and do so. And if you have done that, I appreciate you. May your hand that you have used to like the video may it never go down in shame anymore, in Jesus' name. God bless you and I love you. Just keep watching. And I know after this video, you might not love to be buying by the roadside again. You will love to do in the comfort of your home. While you are watching your telly, you can be enjoying this. While you are doing some certain things, you can be enjoying this. And your kids can also enjoy this also. Just the same way I'm enjoying it with my family here also. So we are almost done. Can you see? The pot is already filled up. Remember, I use only 1 cup. A friend of mine, like a family, he just shared with me this recipe, how to make it. I said, wow, so lovely and so fast to make. And I will not be selfish over it. And I would love to share it with my audience. Can you see? Just 1 cup. Oh my God, this is really amazing. This is really amazing. So this is a pure natural. without adding, if you don't want to add any sugar or salt. I like the taste also that it do give when you eat it natural. But if you are a friend of sugar or a fan of sugar, you cannot eat it without sugar or salt. So this is the a portion I use getting this one that you are seeing. So if you love sugar or salt, what you just need to do, I've already portioned it into two. I'll just go ahead and add a pinch of salt to the other part of it. You can add sugar or you can add more than this one that I'm adding. Just depends how you love enjoy it. So our popcorn or palomita is ready, guys. I hope you love this video and it's really amazing. Thank you if you watch up to this point. So I will go ahead and package it. So whenever we need it, I will just bring it out. Time for watching once again. See you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye. I love you all.